I am going to be a very rich dude.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the f?
I mean, it's really not too hard to start trading Forex to begin with, but I thought it might be helpful to just make a video that just lists the steps in your face and then boom, you ready.
She wasn't ready.
So if you need more information on how to start your Forex trading journey, then keep watching. Hey guys, Candace B here. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. What it do? What's up? What's good with it?
Okay.
In today's video, I want to talk about how you can start trading Forex the easy way. Now, there are a few non-negotiables that you need to start trading, and there are a few negotiable things that you can modify based on your end goal and your budget. So let's start with the negotiables, the things that vary based on your personal preference. The first thing is your starting capital. Now, this is very much a subjective thing and to each their own. I know people who have started with $500 and have grown their account. I know people who have started with $5,000 and have grown their account. I know people who have started with $10,000 and have lost their account.
Sorry to this man.
So it really doesn't matter what your starting deposit is. What matters is how you manage your risk and retain your profit. So my suggestion would be to not take your mortgage or your rent money and fund an account. Just simply save and start with a comfortable amount when you're ready. I find that actually starting with a smaller account forces you to be more disciplined because your risk will be low and your reward will be low. So it takes a lot of mental strength to be okay with that and just be patient with the process and just to trust the process. So just keep that in mind.
Trust the process.
The second negotiable thing is your laptop/computer. Now you may see on social media with all these Forex gurus who have these amazing setups. They have different screens to show their different pairs that they're monitoring, and it just looks dope. However, having a certain type of laptop or computer has nothing to do with how much success you will have in trading. Especially when you're starting off, your focus should not be on what type of technology you have or getting the best type of technology. It should honestly just be about having a reliable computer or a laptop or phone and good Wi-Fi connection, because that's all you really need to start trading when you think about it. The third negotiable thing is your age. Now, I have personally come across and have interacted with Forex traders of all ages. 18-year-olds, 28-year-olds, 38-year-olds. A lot of people think that being young gives you some sort of advantage in trading. I personally don't think that's true. I mean, yeah, I started getting into Forex when I was 19, and I am very grateful that I discovered Forex at a young age because there was a lot of trial and error, but your age truly has nothing to do with your success. It all comes down to how much work you put in. Simple as that. So if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, etc., and you're watching this video right now, please remember that your age does not define your success. Start the right way and build a strong foundation, and that has the ability to cut your learning curve down substantially. And if you're young, just make sure that you're following the criteria of the broker that you choose to go with, because every broker varies, and there's most likely a minimum age to start trading depending on the country and a bunch of different factors. So just make sure you're providing legitimate information when you're signing up, which leads into the non-negotiables. The first non-negotiable for starting Forex is, of course, getting a broker. You need to sign up with a broker in order to start trading Forex. There's no way around it. Now, there are many brokers out there, and it does vary by country. It is your responsibility to do the research and find a broker that matches your goals and your needs. Don't just sign up for a broker just because a Forex guru told you to or that they're promoting it on their Instagram. Do your own research. I cannot stress that enough.
My future, my shoulders, my shoulders, my arms. I can't even.
The second non-negotiable is a trading platform. So this is essentially where you'll be executing your trades, setting your take profit, your stop losses, modifying pending orders. Now, I personally use the platform MT4, which stands for MetaTrader 4. There are also different versions such as MetaTrader 5, which has different features. Again, just do your research. It literally takes 5 minutes to go on Google and research all of this information for free. All right, now who can guess what my third non-negotiable is?
Anybody? Anybody at all? Anybody?
The third non-negotiable is a trading plan.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Honestly, I should have put this as the first non-negotiable because of how important it is to have a trading plan. And take it from someone who is so stubborn and against creating one when they were first starting out. I thought I knew everything. I thought I could just take a trade and win, and life would be great.
You thought.
So a trading plan is essentially a blueprint that you create, and it's based on many factors such as your personality, what you want to trade, when you want to trade, how you want to trade, etc. In my opinion, it is best just to start with a simple trading plan, especially when you're just starting off on your Forex journey. And as you learn more about the markets and your personality, then you can start modifying your plan and just tweaking it. But honestly, if you really want to decrease your chances of failing in Forex, please make a trading plan, and one that you feel super comfortable following. And whether you win or lose the trade that you take, that you're just simply happy that you traded based on your trading plan. And you can make it all color coordinated and really aesthetically pleasing like I do, but I kind of have OCD, so yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank you, lovely people, for tuning in. I really hope that it provided you some helpful information as just a starting point. If you like these types of videos, especially about Forex, please give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to watch my other Forex videos and my other videos for that matter.
You tried it!
And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I will be posting
Another one.
Feel free to follow me on all of my social media, which is in the description box below. I love you guys, and I hope you have a fabulous day and life.